Everyone, I just got in the Scaletrains Rivet counter GE ES44AC NHO scale, of course, and it's the BNSF 25th anniversary unit, and I got number 5869, and there's 10 of these made by the railroad, and this is the first time I've gotten a ES44AC from Scaletrains. The model itself isn't new, it's just that the paint scheme are the new paint schemes. So let's take a closer look. And there she is. And this thing is nice. But then again, it's Scaletrains. When is it not nice? And you can see it has all the previous railroad names that have been combined to give you BNSF. Give you the old once around here. Whoops. All right, so let's look a little closer at some of the fine details. And BN Rivet counter has, tons of details on it, and the moving bearing caps on the wheels. But this is a sharp looking locomotive. And I know a few people have complained that, oh, it's not much of a heritage unit. Well, it's not really a heritage unit. It's just an anniversary unit. Yeah, it'd be cool if they went back and painted, a bunch of locomotives, the old road names that are on this, Frisco and Colorado Southern and Northern Pacific and so on. But let's put this on the track and see how she sounds. All right, so let's start her up and see how she sounds. All right, let's listen to the horn. That's loud. Here's one step forward, speed step. Let's try 2 speed steps. This is 4 speed steps. Nice little brake squeal. And it does have, you can see it, walkway light. So we get closer to that. Now we can get closer. Huh, for some reason you can't see it on the camera. It's kind of hidden. Oh, there you go. Right there. Little walkway light. And the front nose has a walkway light. Oh, here's the other side. Let's get a nice close-up view. Let's see what the dynamic brakes sound like. It just occurred to me that every BNSF engine that I own is by Scaletrains, and they're all Rivet counter. And how cool would it be to see this set? Oh, by the way, I put some weathering on the trucks on this. I don't know if you watched my other video on this. When they came, they were like bright silver and pristine. So I hope I did a decent job. But anyways, it'd be cool to see this pulling a nice long train on a really big layout, which I don't have. But I can always dream. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the new Scaletrains GE ES44AC and the BNSF 25th anniversary paint scheme. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you down at the tracks.